Ever accept a DoorDash order that says $10 and then suddenly it pays $25? Yeah, that's called a hidden tip. Some delivery apps don't show the full payout when you accept an order. The companies say they hide tips so drivers don't cherry-pick only the biggest orders. Drivers already choose orders based on payout. This isn't theoretical. New York City's Department of Consumer and Worker Protection, DCWP, recently accused these same companies of using design tricks. Yes, that's the actual phrase, to discourage tipping and manipulate how earnings are displayed. The agency found that DoorDash and Uber Eats workers lost more than $550 million in tips since late 2023, after the apps moved the tipping screen to the end of the order process. Why would they do that? Because if customers see higher delivery fees and an upfront tip, they might bail out before checkout. And that, my friends, is bad for app metrics. So these digital middlemen decided to hide tips and earnings in the name of customer experience, which, oddly enough, seems to always align perfectly with corporate revenue preservation. Part of the government is saying apps should be forced to show the full payout. But this is what's hard to fight. Drivers are not losing money. They are simply not seeing all the information up front. You can compare to this.
Whoa, excuse me, sir. This check says $3,000. I told you the total was for $1,500.
Yeah, I know the job was $1,500, but I decided to surprise you.
Okay, but that's not what we agreed upon.
It's a surprise bonus. Surprise!
See what I mean? Yeah, that's basically how hidden tips work. Hit the like and subscribe button for me if you're sick off guessing what your next payout is going to be.
The bad karma is starting to catch up with these companies for misleading drivers and from hiding information and things like that. You know, transparency is a real thing, and it should be required, to be transparent with the people you partner with. Just saying.
Yeah, sorry. I wish they would get in trouble. But this is going to be a long fight, because DoorDash is saying this actually violates their free speech rights, claiming they should have control over how their app's interface is designed. Meanwhile, in the Senate, policymakers have accused these same companies of using hidden fees and misleading pricing that confuse both drivers and customers. They've demanded detailed breakdowns of what these extra charges cover, who benefits, and how much actually reaches worker.
So again, we don't seem to understand. Why not just show the full amount to your workers? Why hide it at all?
Because free speech. Plus, it's our platform, and we have a right to do it the way we want. Plus, this regulates how our workers are selecting orders. And besides, it's kind of like a surprise. You know, surprise.
We make more money and we get ourselves out of debt if we actually reach our financial goals. We don't have to do this work anymore.
You got that right, Mr. Bet on You. For the drivers who do get the big payouts, that's not happening every order. If it was, your monthly car payment and insurance could be taken care of in 2 days, maybe even 1. So, there are offers out there. So why not spread out those orders throughout the week and hide the big payouts behind $10 offers and make you think the next bonus is the next order you do? Every single time you work. So as drivers, what can we do about this? The big apps are playing digital hide and seek with your pay. The best defense is setting your own standard. Take offers you'd be happy with before tips. If the offer looks bad up front, skip it. Don't gamble on a hidden bonus.
Dude, I'm sick of this. I just did an order thinking I was only getting paid $25. I closed it out and it was actually 27 bucks. What's up, dude? Why are we hiding $2? What is this? A fucking Easter egg hunt?
Surprise!
I'm your food crusade. Hungry mouths depend on me. It's a five-star parade. Korean Joe, I'm looking Joe. Food's hot and I'm on the go. Fries, rice, Korean pie. Better tip, good, say goodbye. Go jiggle, go home. Nice to greet ya. Your driver knows the lane. Nothing gets in my way. With a pizza bag and a mission on your food crusade. Hungry mouths depend on me. It's a five-star parade. Korean Joe, I'm looking driver. Oh, food's hot and I'm on the go. Fries, rice, Korean pie. Better tip, good, say goodbye. Go jiggle, go home.